Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics one day before an exam. Begin by identifying the most crucial chapters and topics that carry significant marks. Dedicate about 40% of your available time to these areas. Next, quickly skim through your notes or textbook to refresh your memory on all core concepts and definitions. Don't get bogged down in details. Aim for a broad understanding. Now, let's talk about formulas and diagrams. Compile a quick reference sheet with all the important formulas from each chapter. This will be your go-to resource for rapid revision. Spend time practicing drawing and labeling diagrams like ray diagrams or circuit diagrams, ensuring you understand each component. Also, make sure you know the correct C units for every physical quantity. This often earns you easy marks. Effective practice and time management are crucial. Work through a few numerical problems from past exams, focusing on different types of questions. Don't try to solve everything, but understand the problem-solving approach. Divide your remaining study time into focused blocks, perhaps 45 minutes on, 15 minutes off. Remember to take short, refreshing breaks to prevent burnout and keep your mind sharp. As the exam approaches, do a final quick review of your formula sheet and any challenging concepts you noted. Trust your preparation and avoid cramming new material. On exam day, eat a light, healthy breakfast and arrive early. Remember to read all instructions carefully and manage your time wisely during the test. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.